will determine whether you're going to buy, sell, or hold this stock. Is it time for you to buy or to hold or to sell it? Right? That's the kind of things that we will talk. If it's your first time here, or if you're watching this, I came up with this series which is going to be like a market daily update, which will be basically to bring you the information on the market and the stocks that are, most active traded stocks, or any big news on any stocks, something like that. And the goal is to just make sure that you are up to date with what's happening with your market. Either you're investing, whether you're trading, or you're new to investing, so you can learn, you can get to know what's happening, before you put your hard-earning money into the stocks or into the market. So if it's the first time, just make sure you subscribe or like the video if you like it, and be sure you check more videos related to said topic about investing and anything related to your finances. First thing, let's look at the market today. First of all, TSX was down. TSX Venture was down over 1%. Nasdaq was almost 1% down. New York Stock Exchange, that's like a S&P 500. Dow, all the markets pretty much. If you look at Asia markets, everything was down today. Europe was down. So it's a good day for you to, if you are one of the people who are doing what we call dollar cost average. It's a good day today to pick some stocks that are all cheaper, right? For long term, that's a good way to buy. That's how I do. We look at the market movers. These are high trading stocks. They're Manulife, the Supreme Cannabis Company. There's Bombardier is number 3. Look at the share. Bombardier was 13 million share traded today. Zenabis Global, this is always one of the top high traded companies on the TSX. And we have to Suncor Energy, Crescent Point, Enbridge. By the way, Enbridge is a really good one of the good companies. It's a long term. Most of these are long term investing. BTC, this is a brand new, was actually launched today. This is a cryptocurrency, or a Bitcoin ETF. So I will actually make a special video for this. Just make sure you check on that. I'll give you more update on that and more deep dive on this one. Actually, video will come tomorrow. Afria, Next Source Material. These are the mover of the market. So the reason why you kind of follow this, if you're a trader, or you might want to see what stocks are trading high volumes, so you don't get stuck with the stocks. So that way you can execute orders, your share you want to sell and buy. But if you're long term for real, this doesn't matter too much. But it's something fun to look at. Okay, let's look at news today. So company in the news today was Canadian Tire Corp. So it was down about 19 cents. And Canadian Tire is selling national sports stores. They're about like 18 of them, across southern Ontario. They're closing them down, shut them down. And Canadian Tire, of course, is one of the biggest company, and it has gone really up these days. I've invested in this. I bought this company, I think, when it was really down, and I think I'm up massively right. Sienna Senior Living. This company is real estate for for senior people who are, of course, old people, retiree, they're just living there, or long-term care homes. So they have a huge real estate assets across Canada, and is actually it lost some money. Is because, of course, they increased their capacity of employees, people to take care of seniors because of COVID, and they take extra care, and one of the reasons why the stock went down. And also we have Barry Gold. He's been selling assets that are non-core, and because of that, they had a $1.5 billion right now, and it's a huge chunk of money. And so what they want to do is to take $750 million to give to shareholder later this year. and it will be given as a form of a dividend, which is 42 cents. So just in case if you want to capture that 42 cents per share, just make sure you buy before the date. You can fall on that. Yeah, those are the 3 stocks I'll bring you today on the news. Let's go back to Bombardier here. You can see Bombardier. Yeah, you can see the chart. It went down. It was going. The stock was going up. I mean, the stock opened at around 61, which is closed yesterday. And then it keep going down all the way, and around 12 actually more people dumped the stock, sold. It was oversold at that time, and then because it went all the way down to, it was all the way to 55. It went all the way to 55. Then people bought, and then more buyer came in. They want to buy, and then but it couldn't sustain. It just fall off, and it ended up 57 today. And that's a chart you can see. If we look at the volume, 13 million. Remember yesterday I made a video about Bombardier. Was only 10 million shares being traded. So today is over 13 million shares. So today was so much volume at Bombardier. The open at 61, 62 high. What's other news about Bombardier? Let's go down here. Analysts. This is what I was gonna talk to you about. So now, if you're holding this stock, should you buy? Should you sell? I mean, if you're holding it, or if you're a new investor, or you want to buy the stock. So there's a 3 analyst rating right now. There is a buy. Out of 7, 1 is says buy. Another 4 are saying hold. 2 are saying sell it. So on consensus, like we come to, on average, all of them, it's just say hold the stock. If you want to be about $1 or 99.7, average is about 67, so about 70 cents, and then the lowest is about 34 cents. So that's a rating if you want to know. And these are the trade history for today. There's Jordan Security, there's RBC Capital, Anonymous, TD Security. These are the buyers and sellers actually using these, of course, platforms. Financial filing, we've talked about that. We'll skip that. So that's it. If we look at the options now, look at the option for Bombardier. Most active calls for Bombardier, right? So there's a 2 type of option. There's so many strategies for option, but the most popular one, there are 2 type. There's call option and put option. I mean, call option, you're saying the stock will go up. Put option, you're saying the stock will go down, and you can make money that way. So those are the, if you can go on this website, you can see all these are the stocks. These are the strike share price and all that stuff. You can see someone here was closed today. Today is 18. No, tomorrow is Friday. So there's there's some call, expiring date tomorrow. They're already like losing. You can see minus 25%. This one is minus 10. So that's it. Information for Bombardier. Just let me know. Are you holding Bombardier? Do you have Bombardier? Are you planning to sell? Are you planning to hold? Based on analysts, what do you think? And if it's your first time, just make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe and please like the video. Thank you very much for watching. Till meet again.